Me's a man who not do disrespect because I don't know if I do it.
Right.
That's Tony Matterhorn disrespect me.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop you. You unstoppable, so now we are trained.
Welcome back, viewers. If this is your first time to Unstoppable TV and you have not yet hit that subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button now and the notification bell, so once we upload a video, you will be alerted. So people, it would appear that this is not the first time Tony Matterhorn and disrespect Beenie Man, you know. Because in this clip from me have to show you right now, Beenie Man a go down memory lane and him a talk about how Tony Matterhorn did diss him. See it? And him did that for either fix Tony Matterhorn business one way or the other. Me not gonna tell you no how him say he would have probably do it, but you can listen to get an understanding as to what. So people, this whole Tony Matterhorn animosity thing we are going now. And nothing new. Obviously Matterhorn have some kind of tension for the legends Bunty and Beenie. Make we jump in and take a listen to the conversation where Beenie I have with Wiz from Wizology.
Yeah.
Physically, I'm perfect. Yeah, so you see, the problem is keep your state of mind at all times. So regardless of what going on around you or what is going on within your life, you just know, so you put everything different from the music. I know, so you put everything aside from what you're dealing with. Because you see me, me's a family man. Me's a man who believes in my family. So you see, by working and dealing with family, it's not an easy thing. But sometimes you have to make your family be a part of your thing. So as long as they are part of what you're dealing with, then nobody can stop it. So my state of mind is right, and it's always perfect, and no disrespect to no one. If I'm a family like my family, then state of mind now, right?
And many people ask this question: how is it that Beenie sustained his career in the business all these years, while we see so much artists come and go, and Bunty and Beenie and a couple others still remain in the business same way? How Beenie do it?
No man, know the future life. Tomorrow promised to no man. So I could have started and just dropped, but start and continue. See?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that was the greatest part of it, too, you know, maintain the music. So it's like every time you look back at where you're coming from, you want to go further.
So Beenie Man decides to explain, say, listen, the clash between him and Bunty over the years was actually good for him as an artist. Because him also said without the clash, him not feel him would have even there today. Him feel like the clash make him a better artist.
It was good for the music and it was great for me. Because each and every artist needs somebody to step on their toes sometime to get you on the edge where you're supposed to be at, you know? Get you out of your comfort zone and get you on that grind, you see? So it was a great thing, guys. It was a great motivation for I and I. So if it wasn't the clash, I doubt that I reached this far. Yeah, because the clash made me think, say, do I want to be the next Ninja Man? Be clashing every minute or clashing every year? No. I want to be an international superstar. But this clash now give me the listening ears of everybody, because you know me are the girls and sugar. So usually when I start, Matey are my first #1 song. So you know where I come from. See?
Yeah.
So Miss Angela, hey, them and watch you, so I start DJ gun song now, and it actually started working. It was a great thing. So the clash was the thing that keep me there, like keep me on that vibe. You know, say, all right, being the man you can get better, you know? So after that whole 92, 93 genre out, then we get into 94, them time we start taking on the world. After that, we start the wickedest slam and all of these songs to, you know, become the international artist that I am today.
Right.
But you see the thing about being the hot artist in the moment, when you're the hot artist, every other artist want to clash you. You don't know that, right? When you're the hot artist, every upcoming artist, every artist will lukewarm, we feel like nothing now go on for them, feel like them are going to jump on your bandwagon and clash you just to get a little spotlight. Well, Beenie explained, say, yo, over the years, when them artists they rise up against him because him are the hot artist, them not even fears him. Listen what go on.
Alright, obstacle is never a problem to me. Because we are Jamaican, we jump early, you know what I think. So obstacle is never a problem. We just step over obstacle and pass that.
Yeah.
Because the focus is the future. So the future is in front of you. You see? So you move towards that. See?
Okay.
So you see the now is you in front of me. So I'm going to deal with it now and move on to the future.
Yeah.
And this is how it works. You don't sit down and think, say, boy, all right, I Captain now. Yes, so what? You're a Captain, you agree. You respect to you. But respect to me, to boss. You know, with some respect for me. So, you know, this is who you be or who you want to be. My time is my time. When me ready for go up on stage, it's up to what you do. So, me come to please an audience. I never there to please you. You come there to get a forward for me. I never come there to get a forward for you. So if me can get an extra forward, I'm sure, then yeah, so be it.
Yeah.
I have clash. I have clash as a Naxis, as a war, or somebody's trying to kill in my career. I have clash of something to make you greater, something to really put you where, you know, someone would have said, yo, being one of the girls, them sugar, but you have some wicked bad man tune though. That's what you want to reach. You don't want to be the man is the gangster's DJ. That means you're stereotyped and you're right here. You know? Being the man is the DJ, that's what you want to be.
Yeah.
You want to be the man who DJ at the little baby party and them not feel no way. You want to be the man who can DJ the old man at 102 party and don't feel no way. So this is what you do. You work hard in the studio, you work harder on stage. So that make who you are. And then you show them your work ethics and them know how much you love the music. So them know how much you will give to them. So if somebody expect 100% and them not get it, then make them good with 90.
Yes, yes.
All the time you give them 90, all the time you give them 100%. So that is what makes who you are, you know? You are. So if you want to be the man when people say, well, you know, I don't know if I never watch him in a class. He could have got tonight and well, I don't know if he's good tonight or what. You have to always make people want to buy tickets. So when they come out, they will say, yo, Beenie man, I'm a mash up for you. So people start sing to themselves which song them want to hear and which song them other want to see first. And then you give people that, you call it now, expectation. So when them come to see you, you give them them expectation.
So we could go down memory lane and take a listen how the two legends them first cross paths, Bunty and Beenie, years ago.
Remember, we bust from 92, me and Killer. We were back at Stone Love anniversary, Stone Love 22nd anniversary. It was Portmore Center. And that time, it will be the first I'm going to see Bunty Killer on a stage.
Oh.
Yeah, okay. The first time I see him, I'm yard. Yeah. When me say man came, I'm going to check him down and see him. I don't know what kind of killing. See? But at the first, I've seen him on stage, really, performing, really. So, when all of that go on, and the counteraction them start fling and counteraction them start fling, I left with a throwback word because I wasn't that man. I wasn't the man where throw and I don't like Trace. So you know me long time from me, I'm kind of dark on the side. But but music and music. So if a man can say something, you can say it back.
Yeah.
You see, so it was, and then I'm glad for it because it was a test, you know. For me, I'm a temper, you know. It was a test to really see if we can control it, and I did really, and I give thanks.
All right, so now Beenie going to talk about the time when Tony Matterhorn diss him and how him angle it. Make we take a listen to that.
This is a man who don't do disrespect because I don't know if he do it.
Right.
Tony Matterhorn disrespect me. Yeah. I don't know if he do have a joke or I try to run a joke, but
okay.
When somebody tell us, I don't mean a disrespect and then disrespect you, and then don't take it personal like he's not a person, I don't like that. So, me ride go check through, but I think me da ride under 90 at that time because the traffic was too wicked at Jamaica, so I never drive. I ride my bike, and I go check trooper, and I sing about 60 songs for him. For a fall charge. And then him go, we go kill Matterhorn, you know?
So it was personal then. It was personal.
Yeah, because it was a disrespect to I and I don't know if you do disrespect. So it's either I got tie up Matterhorn and put him in a bag and trim him.
Yeah.
I got make Trooper use some tune and kill him. And then in music, it don't really work out with violence.
Right.
You know? A man can say something today because he's drunk, and tomorrow I remember what he said. And then you're going to say, boy, John, you know, say, yeah, that don't make no sense, you see?
Now, as you know, there are a few legends in the business who are reigning from long time, and we wonder how is it that they are still prominent today. Buju, Bunty, Beenie, Capleton, and several others. Who is it that, well, then again, maybe shouldn't say several others because it's not that much. But there's a good amount still reigning today. And Beenie talk about who they are to him.
Yeah.
Buju Banton. It's Buju Banton, Beenie Man, and Bunty Kerr. The longest reigning DJs in dancehall business.
Yes. Yes.
Don't set that genre. There's nobody else can say. See it?
Right.
The man them said them are running. Alright. All kudos go. Hands out to all of the people them who said them are running. See it? Alright, look that over when they're running. 106 and Park, every single that are released premiere on that. You know that? Every single that are released Billboard. Every single that are released reach all over the world. Where is the Billboard artist them today? Where is the man them that come from 106 and Park? Where is the man them that do the MTV? Where is the man them that do the VH1? Where that all of that gone out of music because of what? So if you say our time pass, your time not start yet now. Because you not start with that yet. And we still doing it.
Yeah.
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 So
Yo.
what?
But you have to, I have to intervene in that thing. And I have to tell you, sir. And I know, you know, you might not want to hear, but Capleton is an artist. You know he's a great artist.
Yeah.
Right? He wasn't in the era with you, Buju, Bunty, Capleton, Beenie. You wouldn't put him in that level?
No, of course, I not put Cape Town on that level. But Cape Town is, you see, you have dancehall artists or you have dancehall cultural artists. Don't mix up Cape Town.
Okay.
Mix up Cape Town with Sister them. Don't do that. Beenie Man, Buju Banton, Bunty King, Buju Banton, go over the side there after certain things start happening. Come on.
Yeah. Okay.
Don't try to mix me up. Really.
No, I would have never do that. Never.
Right.
Never, ever, ever, ever. Never do that. Never, never. That's not me and you. You know that.
A matter of fact, Cape Town bus before you know. Cape Town bus in a Ninja Man them time.
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah, I'm still dead in our time. But I want to say
Okay.
Cape Town bus before our time because me and Cape Town time at same time.
Yeah.
Because
Okay.
Me and
Then,
DJ, yeah, it's same thing. So yeah.
well, that's what you do. You just correct me because me okay with that. When you correct me, I'm all right. You see?
Stand corrected. I should have mentioned Cape Town. Yeah.
We're all right, man. We're good, man. We're good. We're good. We're good. What, you know, the 90s is lovely. It can never die. Never, ever, 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 ever. You know, you set so much trends, but you lost a lot of friends during those times. How does that, how was that?
No, well, that's how it goes. Life is life, you know. See? Life goes on, you know. Life comes and life goes on. You know, we have lost a lot of people, but yeah, we have lost a lot of people.
Yeah.
And we are broke, but then we have lost a lot of friends, which is, you know, wasn't friendly either. You get to me, I said. So
Okay.
all the past and gone, we miss them. But all the people that the cast up, we don't miss them, better. We should have died in childbirth. See? Because you have some people who get you to whatsoever, and then compare on you and flex on you, and then don't like your flex and get bad mind in the flex. So you get bad mind in the flex. You're supposed to have a better mind when they're on good people, not say, but you're not supposed to come to people and try to teach them all for bad mind. But people don't know to do that, you have a frighten of it. So we come and see bad mind, we have a so you do something wrong, and I try to apologize, I will not accept the apology. It takes that to get rid of you. Yeah.
Yeah, understand.
Anybody at all, when I good for your life, when I good for your career, not good for the betterment of your living, get rid of them. They are poison.
So now Beenie Man actually talk about the present situation where Tony Matterhorn speak out against him and Bounty Killer going on verses. And Beenie Man explain how him feel about that situation. Take a listen.
People are always upset about stupid things.
Right.
That's a platform where everybody wants to see you on, where they watch the biggest artists in the world clash. I know you have two Jamaican on the same platform, and people is upset that it's on that platform like this. Are they serious? Do they know how much Jamaican artists Swiss Beat make music for? Do they know how much time Swiss Beats come to Jamaica?
And
Jamaican Swiss Beats make bus in America, including myself. Those bad mind people. Our culture is for them who love and support everything that we do.
Yeah.
So why you have to do it, Panda? Why you have to say that? Why you have to wake up and hungry this man? Why people wake up and don't have no food? This is the question we're supposed to ask. Why the nurses are now work hard to make sure that people live through this COVID-19 thing? This is the question we're asked. Why that platform? Because we need to do this for the world, not only Jamaican and not only our type. We need to do it for the world. We need to do it for the white, the Indians, the Syrians, everybody who listen to dance and music.
Trust me.
Nobody cuss when the music is on BT. Nobody cuss when they're on the Canadian station. See it?
Yeah, right.
Cuss when much music, nobody curse. Because they must say, yes, our music. Now, we are going to do this on an international platform, a wider platform. That don't make no sense. That's definitely you know want to see me on that platform there. You should just ask why we and why not here. That is the question we want to ask.
So here what Beenie say, the real question when Matterhorn did want to ask is, why Bounty and Beenie? Why not other artists? Is that Beenie saying no? Matterhorn only generalize the thing and make it seem like say, him a talk about why them are going to do it on that platform. But the real question is, why them two artists then? Watch the man people, start to be doing in the comment section. Let me know what you think. This was a good reasoning with the doctor, right? Talk to me, share your views, your thoughts, your opinion on this whole thing. Until next time, no matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out. But before me leave, here what people, there is a song link down in the description. You can click that link, go over there and listen to the artist song. Listen to me, when me tell you say the song bad for real. You're gonna like it. And when you go over there and you like it, more you click down in the comment section and say unstoppable, send me over here. Do me that favor. Alright, watch on man, done with this. Gone.
Want to boost traffic to your business or get more ears listening to your music? Don't know where to start? Let us help you. Advertise with Unstoppable Media and get noticed today. Contact us at 876-420-3368 or email us at xtrailplayer@gmail.com. That's xtrailplayer@gmail.com. Let us put you in front of our audience today.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.